Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the comparing numbers, ascending and descending orders. What is ascending orders? Ascending orders is arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest, and descending means arranging the number from greatest to smallest, biggest to smallest. Okay. Today we will see practice 3. Fill in the correct symbol, greater or smaller. 84,026, 32,001. So, which one is bigger, greater? 84,000. 64,332. 86,331. 86. 1,95,422. 95,099. 1,95,000 is bigger. 3,56,780. 3,56,790. Which one is greater? 90. 2,48,291. 2,48,270. 5,87,009. 5,77,897. Next, tick the greatest number in each. $23,596, 33,496, 22,996. 33. 20,182, 98,761, 1,20,001. 53,138, 53,238, 53,088, 53,200. Next, 4,67,143, 4,68,122, 4,68,222. 4,68,222. Circle the smallest number in each. First, A. 43,555, 44,355, 44,951. 43,555. 1,16,433, 21,643, 12,346. 12,346. 67,789, 67,879, 67,979. Smallest is 67,789. 5,60,000, 5,61,000, 99,999. 99,999. Next, arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. 53,217, 53,211, 55,600, 45,301. So at ascending means smallest to biggest. $45,301, $53,000, $217, $55,600, $47,520, $97,604, $52,497, 1 lakh. $47,520. Next, $52,497, $97,604, 1 lakh. 1,21,050, 1,12,500, 1,10,200, 1,02,570, 1,02,570, 1,12,500, 1,21,050, 5,10,211. Understood? Next, arrange in a descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest. 26,566, 26,600, 27,560, 3,27,400, 3,27,400, 27,560, 26,600, 26,566, 50,329, 59,530, 59,329, 5,59,550, 30, 5,59,530, 59,530, 59,329, 50,329, 3,41,956, 9,56,432, 3,14,566, 9,65,432, 9,65,432, 9,56,432, 3,41,956, 3,14,566. Understood? This is about practice 3. Tomorrow we will see practice 4, building the greatest and smallest number. Okay? Thank you.